Welcome to Purchase Reviews. In this video, I'll show you how to change a jigsaw blade and share some details about the universal blades I'm currently using. Use the correct size Allen key and work it between the guard plate to access the screws. And don't unscrew all the way, just loosen enough so you can wiggle the blade out. Next, insert your new blade so that the start of the blade sits flush with the mounting block where the blade starts to change shape. You don't need to push it in any further than this. Make sure your blade is aligned with the tracking wheel. Tighten your screws evenly and you're good to go. I'll leave some links below on where you can find these universal jigsaw blades that I've been using and also some other similar products. These blades are compatible with M, T and U shank jigsaws and are able to cut through timber, plastic, polycarb, perspex and plasterboard. The TPI or teeth per inch affects the speed of a cut, the roughness of a cut and the application materials for which a blade will be suited. These blades are made from carbon steel and have a blade length of 100.4mm and come in TPI sizes of 6, 10, 14 and 20. They are designed with vented technology which aids in the removal of debris, allowing the blades to make faster, more efficient cuts. I'm happy with this product and have been using it for making straight and curved cuts through a Laminex kitchen countertop. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for future videos, that'd be much appreciated. Until next time, thank you for visiting Purchase Reviews and safe cutting.